There are many products available to choose zero-gravity chairs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best zero-gravity chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lafuma Futura Air Comfort Zero Gravity Chair. This French outdoor furniture company has been around since 1954 and is based about an hour south of Lyon in the village of Anneyron. And this zero-gravity lounger is one of the more popular chairs in its line. It features a thick, cushioned pad covered in a breathable, quick-drying 3-layer fabric, with a firm suspension system to provide extra back support. It also comes in 4 styles, including extra long. Other highlights include a removable headrest pillow and a protective cover around the footrest. It also folds and is available in neutral taupe and pretty coral blue, along with basic black. Number 2. Goplus Zero Gravity Chair. This zero-gravity chair offers solid quality for a relatively affordable price, plus it has a nice lineup of features and the best color selection of all the options on our list. Its design is similar to most other zero-gravity chairs, but with a tray, which can hold drinks, a smartphone, and other small items, along with a detachable headrest. There are 7 colors to choose from, ranging from neutral tones to vibrant hues, including lime green and bright blue. The chair has a sturdy, powder-coated steel frame and a weather-resistant woven polyester bed. It folds and locks into a reclining position up to 160 degrees. Number 3. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Chairs, Set of 2. These best-selling zero-gravity chairs come in at less than $60 each, which is great value for your money. Their alloy steel frames are coated in a rust-resistant black finish, with a durable woven polyester fabric used for the seats. They also lock into a reclining position and come with detachable headrests. Each chair includes an attached side table with slots for your phone, cups, and book, so nothing slides off if you shift your weight. Color options are plentiful. There are 26 to choose from, including steel gray, cobalt blue, and poppy burnt orange. Each has a 250-pound maximum weight capacity. Number 4. Tangkula Zero Gravity Chair. This zero-gravity chair has an upscale contemporary look, featuring an all-weather polyethylene rattan material in handsome espresso brown. The tubular powder-coated steel frame is coated in a rust-resistant black finish, with non-slip rubberized corners on the base. The chair has a ring pull for easily locking it into a comfortable reclining position, plus it folds for storage. While its minimalist design is ultra-appealing, the lack of a headrest may be a drawback for some. The chair has a 250-pound maximum weight capacity and is sold as a single unit or in a set of 2 for $100. Number 5. Amazon Basics Zero Gravity Chair. If you don't want to spend a lot on a zero-gravity chair, it's tough to beat the price point of this one. It's covered in a woven fabric made of PVC-coated polyester that's attached to its black powder-coated steel frame with a thick elastic cord. The folding chair locks into a reclining position and weighs a mere 16 pounds. However, the maximum weight capacity is just 200 pounds, one of the lowest on our list. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.